Okay, so today I want to share what I think is the best way to trade moving average crosses. Okay, so right now I only have two moving average, the 50 and 100 moving average on the 5-minute charts on ES. It work on other instruments too, but it's kind of I think with ES it works a little better, less volatile. Anyways, so normally what people do when the moving average cross like over here, they go long. But as you can see, if you go long over here, you're already kind of far away, you're already 3 points, from price. So what I like to do is wait until on that area right there where they cross, you mark that level, and then you put a limit order right there or maybe a little higher, okay? So I didn't enter over here because it's still a point 1.5 points away from my entry, okay? So that wouldn't be an entry for me. Also, you want to stay away from if there's news coming up, you want to clear any limit orders that you may already have, right? So okay, so let's see. We have one cross over here, the fast EMA cross down, and you could have entered right here. See that? You don't have to wait until it touches the line. Just a little below is fine. Otherwise, you're gonna miss entries. Okay. So that is right there. Uh, it touched it and it went down at least 4 points. Okay. That's not bad. Okay. Another one here. Moving average crossed up. You could have entered right here and it went up. Uh, 10 points. Okay. This one was a loss. Not, but oh, with this one, you want a tight stop loss. You don't want to risk all this, right? All this movement. Maybe at the most 5 points, okay? So 5 points would have taken you out way over there. Maybe even 3 points. That's some that's the market open on New York market open, which is on my time 15:30. Okay, so you don't want to be there. Anyways, another cross up over here. Could have entered right there. Boom. And he kept going, okay? Moving average cross down, pull back. You could have entered right there close enough. And 16 points. You get the idea, right? Moving average crossed up. Price was all the way over here. You waited for the pullback. And you could have gotten, a point, almost 2 points of drawdown to almost 4 points, okay? On ES. This one would have been a loss over here, right? Boom, taking you out. That might be maybe a new scandal. I don't know. Not sure. Okay, what else? I know that this one it crossed the oh the it crossed over here up again. You see over here you entered over here on this candle. Draw down 2 points, 9 points. Okay, and keep going back. It crossed over here, but look at the price how far it is from 9 points. You don't want to enter over there. You could, if you would have made money. But if you follow this cross line all the way over here, boom. Look, barely any drawdown. And it shot up, right? 8 points. No, not 8 points. Second. This was 19 points. Look how little drawdown, if anything, if you didn't exit over here. Look at that. Just a quick, I think it's a better way to trade the moving average. One more time over here. Boom. See how there's barely any drawdown, and it always bounces back for the most part. You see, 10 points. Crossed up. See that? Sometimes it revisits that zone right away, like on this candle right here. It crossed up, price pull back, you enter, barely any drawdown, boom, 14 points. You know, so yeah, that's it pretty much. You know, you get the idea. Let's see another one going back in time over here. Moving average crossed up, boom. Also drawdown on this one. Yeah, this one would have taken you out because you don't want to risk more than 5 points, okay? But if you wanted to, you hold it a little longer, depending on your position size, you know, then you bounce 29 points. See, I think that's better than enter on the cross itself, to be honest, because then you have all these possible pullback area. Here, crossed up, 5 points drawdown, almost 6 points. Again, you can hold that if you want to, but then I mean I think you could because based on the um, possibilities, like look at this. Let's say you enter over here, you put 6.5 points on ES. That's 5.5 hours return. Not bad. This one, let's see, over here, it came close enough. Let me see how much. 1.5 points. Up to you if you want to enter right there. You want to have that tolerance so you can not miss stuff like this. Because if you didn't, then you would have entered over here. It would have taken you out for sure. You know. So that's it for now, guys. Um, like my channel, subscribe for more strategies. I also have a lot of indicators on TradingView. This is my profile on TradingView. Ready, set, fire. I have a bunch of scripts that you can use for free. They're pretty good, I think. And subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.